Hello everybody, I'm trying to read ECU of a 20 plate Citroen Berlingo with using a case-free master, and this connection has been made, and it is MD1CS003 ECU. We are reading it now, as you can see. Once the read is completed, we're gonna modify the data and put it back again, and then that's it, job is done. We are specialized on these DPFs, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR systems, turbo problems, EGR problems, and diagnostic problems. We are a certified diagnostic center. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your problems, and I'll be happy to help you. Right, please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thanks for watching.